Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a fidget board. So first, if you want to copy me, you can do your stuff, but if you want to copy me, what you'll need is some type of crunchy plastic, a balloon full of air, something to squish on the board, a cap, which I'm using a creamer cap. I got one of my bracelets with the pipe cleaner. Use a pipe cleaner and put beads on it. I'm just going to cut mine. Do not cut it yet, though, because there's a certain way you need to cut it. Stop the racket! Sorry, my grandma's doing something. I can't go in a different room because I have so much stuff. And anyways, you need a cap from a water bottle that you can screw on and off. If you have a squishy, this is the one I painted today. You can use one of those. You'll need also, if you're copying me, one with a Ziploc baggie that zips, and one you have to go like that. Okay, and also you need scissors, tape, three straws, a piece of cardboard for your, let's just cover that, a piece of cardboard for your board, which I'm using one from a hose my grandma got. And then I made this cool marble and mesh with melted slime with a marble in it. I'm going to put it on there. You don't have to make one, but I'm going to. With melted slime, I put in it, and then I put a marble in it and made it into a marble and mesh, but it's a plastic bag and it has melted slime in it. What else? You'll need a popsicle stick. I'm using this. Are you kidding me? I'm using this popsicle stick from chocolates, and then you need some fishing line or something like that. Tape, if you don't have tape, glue, which I don't have glue, so I'm using tape, which is probably not going to work. And you need googly eyes, and you need an extra piece of cardboard after you have it for your board. You need an extra piece, and keep a lot with you just in case. Okay, so first, this is what I did first, but it broke open. So I need to show you guys. So around the bottom of the popsicle stick, tie a knot with the rope or whatever you have. 1 second, guys. I need to do something. Okay, once you have that, you're done with that part. But this is going to be for another fidget. It's just an add-on. You don't have to do it. Then this is what it goes with. You tear the top of a cardboard off. And then you want to tape that down or glue it down, whatever you can use or find. Oh, and guys, comment on my TikTok videos and tell me different things I should do on YouTube, because other people see me that's on YouTube. They actually see me on TikTok too, and YouTube, honestly. And go to Addie and Jada, and you'll see me there and my friend. And comment what I should do next, because I don't know how to turn the comments on YouTube, so please comment that too, how to do that, because that would be very helpful. Very. Okay, anyways, let's start making the fidget board. Stop talking. Okay, so once you're done, without all that racket, I'm joking. You want to tape that piece of cardboard that you peel the top off, so it's like a rough cardboard. 1 second, it's hard to film because it's all loud and stuff. She's using the blender. So once you get that rough piece down, here's the next part to it. Once you get your thing tied and you have the popsicle stick on, which that's not really a popsicle stick, but it works. You want to tape the end of the rope or whatever you're using. I'm using rope because we don't have string for some reason. Which is kind of odd, but it's fine now because I'm already started. Sorry for all the racket. My grandma's making something. Seems like it's always loud in my videos, but it's fine. Okay, and then flip the board over and tape the end of the rope on it. So I taped mine right there, if you can see it. And then flip it back over, and then that's part of the fidget thing. So what it does is you get your fidget board and you just scrape it. ASMR. Okay. Yes, it will probably fall apart someday. Sadly. And once you got your balloon blowed up, you want to tape that also. If you don't have that, use it one of your squishy balls or something. Or unless if you're not copying me, do whatever you want. But I'm just giving a good idea from YouTube that I saw already, which is kind of cheating because I'm just copying off them. But anyways, now you hold it up. Now you hold it up and you can squeeze it and do whatever you want with it. Okay. And yeah, it's the balloon, just saying. If you're wondering what it is. Oh my god, tablet. Sorry guys, I'm trying to set you up so you can see the fidget board. It's not working very good. Can you guys see? No, you can't. So it's... Oh, sorry. The cord was there. So this is the fidget board so far. With the thing hanging off it. Sorry, I gotta flip it. So you guys can see the fidget board. So it might be upside down for you guys. You might have to deal with it. Sorry. Okay. I'm super sorry about that. Anyways, yes, this is a balloon. You just squeeze it around. Oh, and in my other video, in my next video, I will show you how to make a Neato with toothpaste and stuff at my other house because my grandma got upset at me after doing it here. A color-changing stress ball. I don't have the stuff over there, but I can tell you guys how. Or I can just tell you now. So what you do is you need some toothpaste. You also need some paint, acrylic paint, and a balloon. And a Q-tip. First, you want to dip your Q-tip in acrylic paint. Any color, but it can't be the same color as the balloon, or else it won't be color changing. And you spread it around, put it in the balloon, and just spread it around inside the balloon. Inside the balloon. Inside. When you're done with that, you put the toothpaste in, close it up, and you got a color-changing Neato. I'll show you mine. 1 second, let me go get it. Yes, I use a lot of different stress balls to make. But here is it. So mine's pink, right? Then it's blue. Okay, be right back, guys. And please give me 1,000 followers on YouTube and TikTok so we can go live together. Oh God, I'm out of breath. Okay, I'm gonna put my squishy down, and it's gonna be right there. And just tape your stuff down. But if you're copying me, just wait and keep pausing it if you need to. Because I'm going pretty fast. Because I've done this a lot of times. But not on camera. I think I did one on camera at my dad's. And also did a homemade poppet. So yeah, I got a squishy now on it. So fun. Not as fun as fast or I meant slow rising. No! Are you kidding me? How did that come undone? 1 second, my sorry guys, my necklace came undone somehow. I don't know how it's possible, but it's possible. Okay. Sorry guys, it's taking me so long. Something keeps happening to the camera. Or, I mean, something always happens and then I just stop for a minute. Okay, whatever. I'll just keep this off and give it for a keychain. Or no, you know what? I'm just going to tape it to the board. Why not? Because it won't stop falling apart. Okay, 1 second, guys. I'm adding another squishy because I love squishies. Actually, it's true. I can't lie. So yeah, now I got 2 squishies. Nice. I'm so addicted to play with it. Okay, that's enough. Drama. I'm a drama queen. If you haven't seen my last couple videos on TikTok. And then it says, "Oh, well, I'm a drama queen," on my shirt. Okay, then get your crunchy plastic. If you don't have it, it's fine. It doesn't matter. This is not even that fun anyways, trust me. This part's not even that fun. It's actually not that fun, honestly. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Sorry guys, it's taking me so long. I'm trying to tape these together. And yes, people call me the tape queen because I tape so much and use so much of tape. And it's true. You can already see it. It's going across my legs. That's how much tape I'm using because I need a lot. Sorry guys. Holy cow, this is already 14 minutes. I need to hurry up. Okay. Anyways, this is another DIY fidget you can use. It's just like a tangle thing you just kind of smush up. But that's not what I'm using mine for. This, I'm going to actually honestly put it on the back because it's so big. It is actually that big. It's very big. So I'll need lots of tape. And yes, I bet you're calling me a tape queen again, Papa, if you're watching this. Well, he doesn't really watch my YouTube videos, so he's probably not going to watch it because he never can find it. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. My goodness. Someone's sneezy. Okay, guys, I'm almost ready to move on. Sorry I'm taking so long. Oh my god, I've been doing this part for a while. Okay, gotta hurry up. So fun. I can't stop playing with it. Okay, I gotta get this video done before my mom comes and picks me up. Okay, so get your... Sorry, it's windy because we have the door open. Get your plastic bag, and yes, it's because it's cool. I'm not allowed to tell where I live. I'll tell you we're in Florida, but that's all I'm going to tell you. My mom won't let me for some reason. Sorry, these scissors are really bad. They're probably the worst scissors we have. Or actually, they're the best, but they don't even cut barely anything. Okay, once you get this part done, you just want to tape it. Oh, and save the bottom because in a couple hours, I'll probably post another video that I'll show you how you can make different fidgets with it. Because wait, if you wanted to, you can make this slime thing I made out of it. If you have a marble or a pom-pom or something, you can just tape the ends after you're done. That's what you can use it for. But the next plastic bag we're going to use, you probably can just throw that away or search something else up because I'm dumb and I don't know any projects for this one. Okay, for this one, now you want to open it. Sorry, I already cut it. I didn't mean to. And then cut it like that. This is for a slider. You don't have to do it. It's pretty boring anyways. Because I'm dumb. Well, it's not going to be really a slider, actually. You can search up how to make a slider. I'm not going to show you probably right now. But in the video I might, but don't search it up yet because I probably will show you. Anyways, I'm just going to crumble that up with the other plastic bag. And yes, look at I have a mess all over the carpet, but it's cleanable. Oh my god, it's so fun. I can't stop. So fun. Okay, I have to stop. I just want to play with everything. But I don't, but I can't. But I want to, but I can't. Because I need to film this video. My viewers are better than a fidget toy. I can tell you that, guys. You're better than a fidget toy. I can tell you that. It's not a lie. I love you guys so much. Hey, guys! I hate toy collector, whatever her name is. She's like, hey, guys! Welcome back to my video. Here's the notification squad. I hate that person. But, no offense. I don't hate her, but she's a little annoying. Toy collector, something like that. Anyways, once you have your 2 plastic bags cut, oh, and also you want to cut it so it's like this. So it's 2 different pieces from 1 plastic bag. Okay, when you're done cutting it, this is what I do. So I attach it back together if I can figure out how to. Because I don't think it's possible anymore, actually. But I gotta check, guys. Don't scroll, please. Or go away, I should say. I love you guys so much. Yes, guys. I love you. Oh my god. 1 second, guys. I'm sorry I'm taking so long. Wait, is this even on camera anymore? Okay, yeah, good, it is. Sorry, guys, it hangs me up sometimes. Okay, never mind. Just don't talk about that one. It's not working out for me, but you can try to do it, but it's not going to work for me. Okay, so get this and tape it onto your board. Nice, guys, nice. I love you guys all so much. And yes, sometimes I'm a pain in the butt. And sometimes I'm even a bull in a china shop. I can tell you that. Definitely. Nana, can you agree to that? Yeah. She even says yes. See? I'm a bull in a china shop. That's where I belong in my life. Anyways, so this is how it looks so far, and then my back where I can like go like that. I can just rub it and crunch it. Probably should have had that bubble wrap still. I could have put that on the back, but actually this is kind of pretty. Okay, that's what I got so far. Sorry guys, it's taking so long. Holy guys, it's 22 minutes already. So, look at guys, you can zip it back and forth. How about that, guys? How about that? But, anyways, let's hurry up because I'm running out of time and I still need to do a lot. I talk too much. Once you cut your thing with the beads and it's on a pipe cleaner, I probably don't have the stuff to do it actually, so I need to twist it back up. But what you guys can do is if you have hot glue, you don't have to do it this way. You can do it the way I'm doing it. You can hot glue it so it's standing up and you just go back and forth with the beads. But I don't have the hot glue because my grandma's busy right now. And anyways, I don't even know where the hot glue is. And last time I hot glued, I actually burned myself. So I'm kind of freak out when I see hot glue now. Or anything that's super hot. Unless if it's food. If it's food, I adore it. Well, I should say, I'm a hedgehog and I eat so much food. I'm a fat cat. Okay, then that's how it looks for mine. If you don't have hot glue, you just like kind of fidget, ow! You fidget around with it without poking yourself, like I just did. But I need to hurry up because this is already 24 minutes. Great. Everybody's gonna leave. I already know it because it's too long. Actually, usually my videos are probably a couple minutes long, not this long. Oh gosh, I still have a lot to do. I don't think I'll be able to finish all or put all this on. Okay, get your googly eyes. I'm using 2 smalls and 1 big, or 1 small and 1 big, because I don't need much. Because you guys, less is more. Which I finally learned the lesson. You should know how many times my mom says, less is more, less is more, less is more. It gets kind of aggravating sometimes, actually. Gets me mad a lot of times. Anyways, you just tape it to the board, so it's like that. How about that, guys? How about that? So you can just press on it. You can feel around on it. This is not meant for babies because they could choke on it or try to bite it or that stuff. So please do not give this to babies. Please. And if they do choke, don't blame it on me. Do not blame it on me if that happens. Because if the babies choke, it's not my fault. Because you're the one that gave it to them, actually. Okay, once you get your straws, see, this is how it's going to look at the end, but that's the part we actually don't need, so never mind, guys. Okay. Oh, no, I pulled it out, so it's probably not going to work now. Wait, yeah, it's going to work. Never mind. Okay. So you want, like, this size, but it has to be straws with the bendy thing. And cut it also to, like, about that size. So I'll just leave that there for you guys to see. Sorry, guys. It's not very light in here. Right now we're just using the nature light because we live on a farm. Yes, we used to have horses, actually. They all died. Sad days. Okay, anyways, when you're done with that, I won't be able to do it because I don't have hot glue, but you're supposed to hot glue it so it's standing up. So you can just go weave, weave, like that. But what I'm going to use it for is just a fidget on the board. So it goes like up, down, up, down, up, down. How much more racket or how long does that racket take, Nana? She said I should be helping, but I'm busy doing fun stuff instead. Instead of boring grinding up lettuce. Or cabbage. Excuse me. It was cabbage. Excuse me. Oh my god, my fidget board's full of tape pretty much. That's all that's on it, really. Oh my god. The eyeballs sound so cool. So yeah, you can just use it to stand up like that. You can just play with it. Okay, we're almost done, guys. This is already 29 minutes. Great. Who cares about watching this anymore? Who? Literally who? It's pretty fun to make, though. Especially when you're done. Oh my god, it's going to turn out so good. And then tape your marble and mesh thing you made. If you're able to make it if you're able to make it. But if not, you can just, if you don't have melted slime, just put a marble inside a plastic bag and tape it so it's like a marble mesh, if you know what that is. So it's like this shape. And it won't be as fun, but it'll work. No offense. No offense, no offense. Ow! There's tape all over me. Then what does that mean? Why I said ow? That makes no sense. Oh my god. I don't have enough room. I'm gonna have to cover the eyeballs. Sorry, eyeballs. You won't be able to be there anymore. Holy cow, guys, I'm running out of room. I don't think I'll have enough room for the rest of the things. Well, there's only 2 more things. Oh my god, it's already 30 minutes long, Nana. Oh my god. Gotta hurry up, gotta hurry up. Gotta keep the air in so I'm able to cut it. Sorry guys, this is taking so long. It's just talking too much. I always do that in my videos. Actually, not usually. They're actually really short usually. Not as long as these, at least. Some of them are long. Like the Pop It one out of the foam one. Go check that out. And also, please subscribe. And if you do, I'll give you a shout out. If you subscribe when you're watching this, before you watch it, if you subscribe, I'll give you a shout out. I pinky promise. I swear to my life that I'll do that for you guys. Just for the people that like me. Just for the people that like me. Anyone that doesn't like me, they're not getting a shout out. That's definitely going to be a no-no. You have to subscribe to get a shout out. And tell me your Roblox name if you want to play with me on that. Also your TikTok name. And also your TikTok name if you have a TikTok account. So thank you guys. I'm almost done, people. I'm actually barely have any space anymore for any more things. No one likes me, I'm joking. Just kidding. And yes, if you've seen my comments in other people's videos, you'll know what happened to my grandpa. Anyways, once you have your bottle cap, once you cut off your bottle cap, tape it so it's like something you can just screw on and off. Kind of fun. Not really. Honestly, that's not working. I gotta use tape and do it an easier way. First, I gotta unscrew it. If you don't have hot glue for the bottle cap part, you're probably out of luck. Because I've been trying to do it without glue, and it's not really working that easily. Sorry, guys. I don't have hot glue. I'm so sorry. I feel bad. I feel bad to not be able to show you guys. Well, I hope you guys have hot glue so you guys can add even more. But yeah, my fidget board is actually completely full right now. So I'm actually kind of glad I'm not needing hot glue because it's completely full. And the tape broke. Sorry guys, this is taking so long. It's 34 minutes already. Anyways, don't want to stab this. I'm just joking. I'm actually right behind it. See, I'm going like that. Yeah, and those are scissors, just saying. Once you're done with the bottle cap, the last thing is, if you have a cap that goes up and down, like a shampoo cap or something, from a shampoo bottle, you want to tape that down. And yes, that's tape, if you were wondering what that sound was. Hey guys, I'm Toy Collector, or whatever, Kawaii Toy Collector. Oh my god. She is kind of annoying, no offense if you are watching my videos, Toy Collector, or whatever your name is, Kawaii Toy Collector. Ooh, it smells sweet, because it's from sweetener for the coffee. Creamer. Smells good. Oh my god, it smells so good. I just want to drink it. But you can't. It's for coffee, not to drink, Abigail. Jesus. Oh, I think that means have low storage. Oh god, I gotta hurry up. Okay, once you're done taking that, you're done. When you're done taping that, you're actually done with your fidget board. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Here's how mine turned out. And yes, it's pretty ugly. But see you guys later. Bye. I'll miss you guys.